I will be describing little and simple things which we use in our everyday life, how we can talk about it. For example, right now I'm holding this charger in my hand. This charger has a cable which is black. This cable is not too long, not too short. This charger is a mobile charger. I mean, we can carry this charger to any place, right? Wherever we go, we can put it in our pocket, and we can easily carry this charger. We have a bigger version of the charger too. This is a big one, right? And this one charges my laptop. So it's a laptop charger or an adapter. So millions of people around the world use this charger or adapter every single minute, right? Maybe you need to use a charger after 5 minutes or 10 minutes or after an hour. This is the way how we can speak about very simple things very simply, very beautifully. You don't need to use fancy words. Remember one thing: if somebody tells you that you must use very advanced, fancy words, that's not true. If you are learning something, then start from the simple stage. Start from the easy part. And this easy part will make you an expert if you continue the process. So I'm making videos, a series of videos where I will be reviewing a lot of things like this. I will talk about very practical elements which is around us. I have just shown you how you can talk about a simple charger and adapter, and we have a lot of things around us which we can use as a topic. You can talk about your most beautiful dress. You can talk about your beautiful garden. You can talk about your family. You can talk about your Eid salami or anything. I mean, this is a clear message to all of you. If you're watching right now, you must speak English. So I want you to watch this video and watch it 2 3 times carefully. If you want to use headphone or earphone, that's fine, no problem, you can do it. But watch it 2 3 times and try to repeat what I just said in this video. This is the way your English will be improved, inshallah. And I am sharing 30 topics which I have prepared for this video. So I will be sharing with you the topics which you can use, to speak. So let me know in the comment box if you want that topic. I'll be sharing with you. So thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.